Date is written on the right corner, and patient's initials in the same place, right corner. Then we have the clock orientation for the wound tracing is 12, 3, 6, and 9. The trace, the hem hook, is trace with structures, bone, M for muscles, bone, muscles, and NT for necrotic tissue. Well, the second part is to measure the hem hook, and we have to use the centimeter scale. We have to measure from the wound, and the greatest long is 2.5 centimeter, 2.5, and the width is 3.2 centimeters. Then we have to do the same with the wound tracing, and we have to measure from the trace, and is 2.6 centimeters, and the width, greatest width, is 3.4. So the surface area from the wound trace is 2.5 centimeters times 3.2 centimeters is 8 centimeters square, and from the tracing the measurements are 2.6 centimeters times 3.4 centimeters equals to 8.8 centimeters square. If we have a real patient, I should use the real one measurement, the first one. Okay, now the second part is shaving and pairing the callus. The first part is we have to use this scalpel, is number 10, and we have to put between third and fourth finger, not too far and not too close, like this, and this is the correct position. Our forearms are supports in the surface, and we have to use this part, the curved part, and we have to shave in like a sewing motions, like this. Okay. This is the first part, must be transparent. Here we have to use light to see. Again, not too far, not too deep. again, using the same pattern, and this sewing a pattern. It's completely transparent. Sometimes it's not easy because we have to do with a little force. Here. All right. And that's the motions that we have to use. Here, like this. Right. You can see that we don't have any depth. Everything is good with this. Now I see the technique, and the shavings are small and superficial flex. Now we have to do the second. I stopped because I have to stop because I don't see any before I reach viable tissue. The second part is using the number 15 scalpel, and the correct technique is using like a pencil, firmly with the first and second digits in the first web space. My arms are here resting in the surface. Now we have to do like a cross, like a tiptoe. It's a cross hatching pattern. First, not too deep. Second, three, four. You see the blue, not white. Again. Again. Now, in a vertical position. 1, 2, 3, okay, and 4. You see? It's perfect. Not too deep. If we do very deep, you can see viable tissue. Now, let's go to the last part of the project. We have to use scissors and forceps. The forceps, I use this technique because it's more comfortable for me. You can use in this position, like this, or in this position. I prefer this position. And this is my non-dominant hand. And this is the scissors, first and fourth digit, and second digit giving support to the scissors. Tips of the scissors are pointed upwards through the abutment. Forceps are held in the non-dominant hand. And we start with this. Cutting necrotic tissue. This with very precautions because we don't have to cut viable tissue, just only necrotic tissue. Yes, we see the wound that is debrided. This is the necrotic tissue that I removed. We can see light blue tissue. We don't see viable tissue because if we see viable tissue, the results are that we are removed viable tissue, and that should not happen. Thank you. Bye.